Assalamu alaikum. I am Abdul Rafe and today I am going to tell you about the polyline command in AutoCAD. Polyline is also called P-line. Let's start our video. Open the AutoCAD software. The short form of polyline command is PL. Just type PL from your keyboard and press enter or spacebar. You can also use this polyline icon for making a polyline in AutoCAD. If you want to know the difference between polyline and a simple line in AutoCAD, you just need to watch my previous video. The link is in the description. You can also watch this. Let's start. Specify the first point, second point. Now I will show you the different options and functions of the polyline command. You can also make an arc here. You just need to type A and press enter. You see there the arc. You now make arc using P-line command. Now you can also change the width of this P-line. You can type half width or simple H and press enter. Now specify the half width of your polyline. I will specify using the keyboard. You can also specify it using the mouse. There, you can see I changed the width of the line, this polyline. If you want again to make a line here, just type L and press enter. You can see there is a line with the same width. Now you want to change again the width of this line. You just type half width or H and press enter and type 0, 0 and 0, 0. You can see this is again the simple polyline. Now if you want to connect the first point and the end point of this polyline, just type C, which stands for close, and press enter. You can see the first point and the last point is connected. They are closed now. Now if you click here, you can see it is a single line or arc. There is no blockage, no break between them. That's the main difference between the polyline and P-line. If you want the detail, you can check it our previous video, which is in the description. Thanks for watching. Please also subscribe our YouTube channel and share this video with your friends. Allah Hafiz.